Hey, it's Kathryn with Park Hopper Daily, back with your Daily Dish Home Edition. For those of you new to the channel, I have taken on the challenge of cooking my way through the delicious Disney Fresh Edition cookbook by Pam Brandon and the Disney Chefs. It's a fun pandemic project while we wait to get back to the parks, and so far so good with now 2 recipes down. This week, I tackled pasta alla carbonara from Trattoria al Forno, located at Disney's Boardwalk. This restaurant is largely known for its character breakfast, which prior to COVID-19 featured Rapunzel and Flynn Rider, along with Ariel and Prince Eric, and a breakfast menu that many consider one of the best on Disney property for a character meal. But here we are for dinner. Pasta alla carbonara, while creamy, does not use cream, but relies on egg yolks and pecorino romano cheese as the base of this unctuous sauce. This is a decadent dish, and after last week's short ribs recipe from Citrico's, I promise I'm gonna lighten it up for next week. To begin, we're gonna fry a 1/4-inch thick piece of pancetta, diced over medium heat, rendering the fat until the meat is crisp. We're then gonna add 2/3 a cup of sweet onion and cook for 2 minutes before setting those ingredients aside. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook your spaghetti per your package instructions. Drain well, but reserve 2 cups of the pasta water. This is a key ingredient moving forward. In a large saucepan, combine the reserved water, 6 egg yolks that are at room temperature, and 3/4 a cup of pecorino romano cheese. Cook this over medium heat, stirring constantly. You do not want scrambled eggs here, until the sauce thickens. Add the pancetta and onion mixture, as well as the pasta, and gently toss to coat the pasta in your sauce. Season as needed with salt and pepper. Lastly, we're gonna poach an egg, and this is not easy. Heat 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in a small saucepan over medium heat until the water is gently simmering. Create a whirlpool by gently swirling the water with a wooden spoon, and carefully crack and slide your egg into the water. You're gonna simmer this for about 3 minutes until poached. Remove and pat dry. To serve, you're gonna place your pasta in a large serving bowl and make a small well on top for the poached egg. You're gonna top this with chopped Italian parsley. You will want to eat this dish immediately. So that's this week's Daily Dish Home Edition. Let me know what you think. Are you trying these recipes out at home? Send me some comments below. Also, is there a delicious Disney dish you want me to try out? Let me know. This is Kathryn, signing off again with Park Hopper Daily, and we will see you real soon.